Hi, it's Corrine again, and I wanted to show you my parrot. I have a Congo African Gray. Her name is Buster because the people who had her before thought she was a boy. But it's a girl, and we adopted her, and we love her. She's 25 years old now, and she says not nice things, bad words. But I'm going to show you a picture of her, and let's see what you think. Buster, hi, say. Say hello. Hello. Hello, hello. Hi, you want to bite this? You want to bite? You want to bite the camera? Wow. Hello. So that is my bird Buster, and if you have any questions about African Greys, or if you have one and you want to know anything about them, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe, like, and have a great day. Bye-bye.